Hey, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? So today I'm going to discuss McDonald's Corporation, which has ticker symbol MCD. So in one day, it moved up by $5.92 as of today, June 27, 2025. So what about 5 days? In 5 days, it is up from $287.17. So it is a little bit of movement, not a big deal. What about 1 month? In 1 month, however, it's down from $314.95. So it is disappointing in 1 month. What about 6 months? In 6 months, it looks like in sideways. It is only down from $293.62. That means $2 down only in 6 months. So it's not a movement at all. It is a sideways movement. What about 1 year? In 1 year movement, it doesn't pop in 1 year. Okay, in 1 year, however, McDonald is up from $258.17. It's a little bit of movement, not a big deal. What about 5 years? In 5 years, McDonald's is up from $183.52. So it has not been even doubled. So as it has not been even doubled, so the return is not lucrative for 5 years. It's not lucrative at all. What about return comparison with the index? So in 1 year, it was good. It paid 15.58% return, which is higher than S&P 500's 12.59% return. What about 3 years? However, in 3 years, it was disappointing. It paid 26% return versus 58% of S&P 500 index. What about 5 years? In 5 years, McDonald paid 82% return versus S&P 500's 105% return. What about financials? So the financials say the profit margin is good. It is 32%. What about return on equity? I do not see anything. So maybe it is not like something good. So what about diluted EPS? It is only $11.34, which is not really very much strong, impressive EPS. So what about trailing P? It is 25.21, not a very strong signal for upward price movement. What about forward P? It is 23.26, which is not so good for McDonald's. So what about PEG ratio? So PEG ratio says 2.54, which is not really a very good ratio for a stock. For especially a growth stock should not have this kind of PEG ratio. A growth stock is the stock which should have a PEG ratio of 1.50. So this is not a growth stock. Certainly not. Certainly McDonald is not a growth stock. So I am not in the club where I will purchase a stock which is not a growth stock. I do not like a slow stock. I do not. Of course not. I love growth stocks. So in that case, I'm not going to recommend McDonald's for you. But I'm not going to make an investment recommendation or investment decision, or I'm not suggesting anything. Just I'm sharing my opinion with you, okay? And you have to remember that this is Wall Street, so your opinion matters, your judgment matters, not any other's judgment or any other's opinion. But still, I am trying to assist you. That's what my job is, okay? So thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. Bye.